Python, AttributeError, module object has no attribute lock. As part of my unit testing procedure, I'm evaluating the type of a variable which has been returned from a certain method. The method returns a variable of type thread.lock, and I would like to test for this in the same way I test for variables of type str or int etc. This is the example carried out in the Python 2.7.6 shell. I expected it to return true as shown in the second example. Please, any solutions on how to get around this will be highly appreciated. Thanks.
Instead of thread.lock, use thread.lockType. But it is preferable to use isInstance.
Use the isInstance function instead.